Okay, this week we're going to be testing if materials are conductors or insulators of electricity. A conductor of electricity will allow it to pass through because the electrons can flow through the material. An insulator of electricity stops the electrons from flowing, so they can't flow freely through the material. So far I've set up a circuit. Here I've got a cell, just one battery cell here, and it's connected via the red wire to a bulb, which is connected to a yellow wire to here and a green wire to the other side of the battery. At the moment my cell circuit is incomplete because we have a gap here and the electrons can't flow all the way around. But if I were to touch these two crocodile clips together, you will see the bulb will light up. There is a complete circuit. When I do that, on my circuit diagram, this bit here is all connected. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to place one of each material into the circuit, and you can use the table that I've made for you to decide whether the material is a conductor or an insulator. Use your knowledge of conductors and insulators to make that decision. So these are the materials. We've got iron, stainless steel, aluminium, wood, polythene, brass, rubber, copper, wool, nylon, cork, lead, zinc, carbon, glass, PVC, cotton, cardboard, perspex and nickel. So first of all, I'm going to insert iron into the circuit by clipping the crocodile clips, one on each end. And that's what happens. So you've got to decide, is that a conductor or an insulator? Next material, stainless steel. This is an alloy. An alloy is a mixture of metals and things. Steel happens to be a mixture of iron and carbon. Is that a conductor or an insulator? Next, aluminium. It's a very light metal. One side and the other side. Do you think that's a conductor or an insulator? Next, wood. This one's quite thick. Wood. Is that a conductor or an insulator of electricity? Next one, polythene. Polythene is a type of plastic. It's man-made, but you can decide whether that is a conductor or an insulator of electricity. Brass. Brass is another alloy metal. If I put that into the circuit, conductor or insulator. Next, rubber. Nice flexible material. Comes from a rubber tree. Conductor or insulator. Copper. This is another metal used in wiring. Might give you a little bit of a clue. Conductor or insulator. Next, wool. It's a bit flexible, that one. Conductor or insulator. Next, nylon, another man-made material. Conductor or insulator. Cork. Nice floating material. Conductor or insulator. Lead This is a flexible metal. It's very soft and it bends easily. It's also poisonous. Conductor or insulator? Zinc, another type of metal. Conductor or insulator? Next, I've got carbon. This isn't just any type of carbon. This is specifically graphite, because carbon can take many forms. So I'll just get to attach it one side of the rod. I'm just going to hold it there because it's quite difficult to attach. You have to look very carefully at the bulb for this one. Graphite, is it a conductor or an insulator? Next we've got glass, melted down sand, conductor or insulator. Next we've got PVC. This is another man-made plastic material. Conductor or insulator? I've just noticed that my cotton has blown away. I'll see if I can find that. But I'll skip ahead to the cardboard. Cardboard. Conductor or insulator? Okay, Frankie has thankfully found my cotton for me. So let's do the cotton. Put the cotton in the circuit. Conductor or insulator? Next is perspex. It's another man-made material. It's a less fragile alternative for glass. Conductor or insulator? And finally, we've got nickel. Those of you that remember from magnets, this is a magnetic metal. Is it also a conductor of electricity? You have to decide. So that's all of the materials put in the circuit. Hopefully you were filling in your table as I did that. Next, what I'd like you to do is have a look at all of those materials and see if you can see any patterns. Is there a pattern of materials that were conductive? And see if you can work out why. Thank you very much.